Welcome to AnyRecover channel. When you hit both the power button and one of the volume buttons at the same time. Or if you quickly press the sleep button on your iPhone 5 times in a row. Your iPhone goes into SOS mode. It's a crucial safety feature that can instantly call emergency services like 120 and send them your location. But hey, if you accidentally set off the iPhone's emergency SOS thing and it's now stuck, don't worry. We've got a couple of ways to fix your iPhone stuck in SOS mode. For the first method, give your iPhone a force restart. If you have an iPhone 8 or a newer model, just quickly tap the volume up and volume down buttons. And then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This usually does the trick. If it doesn't, no worries, there's next method to try. Method 2 involves getting out of recovery mode with a single click. To make things simpler, I've got a handy repair tool called AnyRecover. All you need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer. Go to the iPhone recovery and hit the Fix System option. Then, just follow the prompts to enter recovery mode. Once your phone screen changes, click Exit and voila, you're out of recovery mode. And guess what? This is totally free. Method 3, repairs with AnyRecover. Sometimes system glitches can be the culprit if you still haven't solved the issue. Try standard repair mode with AnyRecover. This professional iOS repair tool can fix a tons of iPhone issues, like being stuck on preparing updates. Recovery mode. White or black screen without data loss. Also supports recovering your permanently deleted data on iPhone, Mac, or even Windows. Check the free download link in description. After download and install AnyRecover, connect your iPhone. Hit iPhone recovery. Then Fix System option. Then enter the recovery mode. Now, your iPhone is on restore screen. Next hit standard mode. And it will detect your system version. Finally, click Start. It will download the matched firmware. Then click Start Standard Repair. It will take some moments. Please keep connecting between your device and PC. Now your iPhone system finishes repairing and begins rebooting. And no data loss. Alright, that's all for today. If this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If there are any further questions about following up the steps, feel free to comment below. Bye.